Welcome to Chilmington Rise. This new development in the heart of Ashford offers a selection of 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, ideal for investors and young professionals.
Chilmington Rise also offers a variety of 2, 3, 4 and 5 bedroom homes, perfect for families and first time buyers.
Combining traditional building techniques with a modern, sustainable and energy efficient design, every home here benefits from a superb specification.
It is in this detail and finish that lifts each property to the highest specification, resulting in a superb luxury home. Featuring beautifully designed kitchens with high quality appliances, principal bedrooms with contemporary en-suites, and spacious living and dining areas, these homes have been perfectly designed for modern day living.
We hope you liked what you've seen so far. Whether you're looking for a modern apartment
Or a brand new family home, Chilmington Rise has something for everybody.
For more information or to arrange a private viewing, please get in touch today.